Instead of going over a bunch of theory, within this video, I want to show you an actual example channel and a case study of a channel that's actually doing this method and how they're doing it. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how to potentially make money on YouTube without even making videos and without ever even showing your face. And I've got a crazy case study to show you within this video. So the case study channel we're looking at today is a channel called TechZone. TechZone has over 3 million subscribers and they upload videos talking about different cool gadgets and technologies that's out there. And this channel gets an incredible 22 million views per month. And I'm going to break down exactly how much they could be making, exactly how they're getting their content created, and exactly how you could potentially do the same as well. Now, before I do that, if we take a look at any one of their videos right here, we can see that they just use other people's videos, but they make it transformative and they make it fair use, and they do a voiceover on top of the videos, just showing all kinds of cool technology, as you can see, ingenious inventions that'll help you in the event of a natural disaster, in the case of this video right here. And they just make videos about cool technology. So just to break this down for you guys to show you exactly how this is working, this TechZone channel right here is getting 20 million views per month, and they upload 5 videos per week on their channel. And out of these 5 videos per week, I estimate that it costs about $150 for each video to be produced. Now, this is from my own experience in running channels very similar to this, and that would come out to around $3,000 a month just for content creation. Now, being incredibly conservative here, I estimate that this channel has a CPM of around $6. In fact, it's probably much more than that due to technology being such a high CPM niche, but we're going to be conservative. We're going to say a $6 CPM, and that would bring the monthly earnings on this channel to a whopping $130,000 per month. And remember, they're probably making much more than that. And that's not even including any affiliate sales that they could potentially make as well, just by putting affiliate links to any of the products that they talk about within their videos. And now you might be saying, Matt, I don't have $3,000 a month to spend on content creation, so how could I get these videos produced for cheaper? So what I would recommend doing initially is actually creating the content yourself. And this is going to consist of going to channels just like TechZone right here, and you can actually go into any of their videos and they actually put links to all of the different products that they show within their videos. As you can see in the case of this video right here, if we go to the description, they have links to all the different products they show. So what you could potentially do is go to channels like this, see the different products that they talk about, use some of those products within your own videos, making it in your own way, making sure to do a voiceover, making it fair use, and also make sure not to just copy these videos directly, but to use them as inspiration and model them. And this means writing the scripts in your own words, making sure to run your scripts through a website called Copyscape, which just ensures that they're 100% unique, and also not doing the same exact order of all the products that are talked about within any videos that you're modeling. Make sure you choose products from different videos and make it in your own way to make your own video. And once you've written your script, then it's time to do a voiceover for your video talking about each of the different products you're going to show. And a really easy way to make sure that your videos are at least 10 minutes long, which ensures that you can put multiple ad breaks throughout the video to make the most amount of money, is by talking about each product that you show for at least 1 minute. That way you only have to talk about 10 products for 1 minute each, and there you go, you have a 10-minute video. Now, for actually recording voiceovers, I recommend just getting a cheap microphone like this one right here, which is called a Zoom H1. And then I'm using a $30 Sony microphone right here to record for this video that I'm recording right now. And a free option is just to use your mobile phone to record voiceovers. The quality probably won't be as good, but it's a place to start, and that's actually where I started, and I got to my first $3,000 a month doing so. And then now it's time to edit your videos. Now, for editing your videos, you can use a free software like OpenShot, Shotcut, or HitFilm Express, or you can use my personal favorite paid editor, which is called PowerDirector. And I recommend making sure that you only show each clip of a particular product or image for less than 7 seconds each. This actually does a couple things. Number one, it potentially makes it less likely to deal with copyright stuff. And number two, it helps keep people's attention. And also I recommend putting titles throughout your video to help keep people's attention. So for example, if you're talking about specs of a particular tech product, then you can just put a title on screen showing that. Now you might be saying, Matt, making $130,000 a month would be incredible. But what if I were to tell you that the person who's behind this channel is likely making way more than that, and that's by doing this secret technique that I'm about to share with you. So what I just showed you was the English version of the TechZone channel, which could very well be an independently operating business in of itself. However, that's just the English version. The people behind this channel also have TechZone in Spanish, German, Russian, Portuguese, and more. And all of these translated versions of TechZone are getting a ton of views just as well as the English version. And translated videos are typically much cheaper to have produced due to the fact that you already have the content from the English video, and then I recommend paying around $4.50 per minute to have the video translated and cover any English text in the video with the translated version of that title, and then doing a native language voiceover over the video and syncing it up. And if each of your videos is on average 10 minutes long, multiply that by $4.50 per minute, that would only be $45 per video as opposed to the $150 that you're initially spending to have the initial English version produced. So here's the Spanish version of TechZone, which actually has more subscribers than the English version with almost 5 million subscribers, and this channel pulls in over 10 million views per month. Then we have the German version of the channel right here. We have the Portuguese version right here, which pulls in an extra 6 million views a month. And finally, we have the Russian version right here. And these were just the versions of the channel that I could actually find. I'm sure that the person behind this channel is running tons of more versions of TechZone, as well as other channels in different niches. And I would guess that this operation and this YouTube empire right here is pulling in well over $1 million per month in revenue, which is absolutely crazy. And if you go ahead and do this method, please make sure to put any affiliate links to any products that you talk about in the description of your videos. That right there will likely make you a lot of money, and in many cases, just as much, if not more, than ad revenue alone. So make sure you don't make the mistake that this channel is doing right here by not putting in affiliate links. These are just links to the actual products that they're talking about. Make sure you get affiliate links. For example, if you're talking about like Amazon products or something like that, make sure you put those within the description. Now let me ask you a question. If you had the choice between trying to do this all yourself, guessing what's gonna work and learning through trial and error, or straight up discovering what works and working with someone who's already done this time and time again. If you chose the second option, I'd love to introduce you to my course and coaching program called Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 is a step-by-step blueprint that walks through exactly how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels, how I actually generate my videos, get other people to make the videos for me, how I make sure my videos are optimized so that they get views and so that you're not just wasting your time with YouTube. Plus, you get to join a private community that I'm in every single day, answering as many questions as I possibly can so that you can get the help and support that you need along the way from someone who's actually done this. So if you're interested in Tube Mastery and Monetization, you can check out the link below this video right here.